And for today, we are going to draw Cinnamoroll. Yeah! If you'd like to make the comic strip poster, check the link in the description. Alright, let's get going! Alright, are you ready? Yeah? So, as you can see, I have thin drawing of an oval. This is to help me estimate how big the drawing should be so that it can fit in the comic strip poster that I've made. But if you're not making the comic strip poster, then you can draw as big or as small as you like. Okay? So I'm also using a pencil and I'll be changing it to a marker later. So let's start now by making a curve over here. Alright, now we're going to continue with the face, but there will be a gap, okay? So watch me. Alright, as you can see, there's a gap over here and over here. Okay, so now we are going to make the hand, okay? So the hands will be touching the face. So we make a curve over here. And now we can make the ears. It's going to be a curvy line. Watch this. Alright, and now the other ear. Alright, I think now we can change into our marker. Let's do that. Alright, I'm back with my marker. Let's boldden this line. Alright, and now let's boldden the hands first, okay? Okay, let's finish off the face. Good job! Okay, so now let's do the body. We're going to make a curve over here. Alright, and now the leg. And another curve. Another leg. And now we can connect it back to the face. Alright. And now we can add the tail. Let's make a curve over here. And another curve inside it almost. And then another curve inside it almost like a spiral. Watch this. Alright, Right now we are going to draw the face. Let's start by the mouth. It's going to be a bit like letter W, okay? So watch this. Now Cinnamoroll has blue eyes, so let's switch to a blue color for the eyes. Alright, I'm back with my blue marker. Let's draw the eyes. It will be oval, okay? Watch this. Alright, since Cinnamoroll is white, all that's left to do is just the cheek. Let's switch to a pink one now. Have you got your pink? Yeah? Let's do it. Alright, that's it for our Cinnamoroll. Wasn't that easy and quick? You don't even have to color it. Good job, everyone. Now I'm going to erase my pencil marks, and if you also have one, you can do that now. I love it! That Cinnamoroll looks so cute! Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have fun. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video so that we can draw again together. Keep on smiling, keep on drawing. I hope to see